Do you know what is the main cause of snoring? It is a blockage in the breathing passages, and the source of the blockage can vary from person to person. Here are 5 of the most common causes of a breathing passage blockage. All of these common causes can be fixed by doing specific stop snoring exercises. Number 1. A weak throat. If you have a weak throat, it will close like a squeezed plastic bottle. There are specific exercises you can do to strengthen your throat. Number 2. A weak tongue. If your tongue is weak, it will fall into the throat and block it. This is most common for people who sleep on their backs, but it can also happen if you sleep on your side. Number 3. Tense jaw muscles. If you have tense jaw muscles, this will put pressure on the breathing passages. Number 4. Floppy, weak soft palate. A weak soft palate can bang around like a leaf in the wind. This is sometimes fixed by removing part of the palate in a surgical procedure. Surgery can definitely be avoided by doing specific exercises designed to firm up the palate, thus stopping it from flopping. Number 5. Jaw pressing on the breathing passages. When the jaw presses on the breathing passage, the passage becomes narrower, causing irregular airflow. This is a muscle tension problem that can be treated with exercises. All of these causes of snoring can be fixed if the right exercises are done.
To learn more about the exercises in order to stop snoring, please click on the link on below.